All right, let's fucking go. We're gonna run out of time. So in the unit test main ray test section, we have a shorthand reference to this hit test function. And this is a lookup table that takes the layer we're on and converts it to the correct truth mask for geometry, BOM, and FATA. This is the variable that is going to be set by grabbing a value out of here. Okay, let's go down a little bit further. Okay, let's look at this for a second. So we have a 3x3 grid of level packs. Here's the center level pack, and in the middle level of the middle level pack, we've set a gigantic monolithic tile that covers the entire level, okay? That is what this record right here in this unit test table is doing. So we want to check to make sure that every single pebble-sized tile in that central level returns true for the hit test. So this record right here is going to be used with this record, and this record is going to test the bounds and make sure that within this inclusive rectangular selection that the hit test should return true for this selection. Okay, down here, we're going to have this reset variable so we can put back the tile map as we found it. So when we mess with the tile, we want to put back the original tile after we're done messing around. You'll see. So here's our selection, right? Pebble, X, Y, 0 for min, 1 for max. So this is the selection area where we expect the hit test to pass. Down here, we labeled this section, and we also labeled this section. This is where we expect matter to exist. So the tile... the test index multiplied by 4 because there's 4 elements per record in this unit test table, and then 0, 1, 2, and 3 for these different entries. Okay, we're going to get the tile that's already there, then we're going to put the tile, then we're going to loop through every single pebble-sized tile coordinate, get the hit test mask, run our hit test, and if the hit test is not equal to the original U32, then we failed, right? Because the hit test, if it's truthy, it should return back the actual binary tile value that's there. These things should match then. Okay, so if they don't match, we'll throw an error right here. If they do match, we're going to put the tile map back the way we found it. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You're on this playlist. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible geometry game, kind of like Pocket Bomberman, but a whole lot better.